Real estate term of the day, lead-based paint disclosure. As a real estate professional, if you're selling a property that is older than 1978, you must provide this disclosure. This disclosure is going to give the buyer 10-day opportunity to do any inspections that they like to be able to determine if there's any lead based on the property. Before 1978, all paints had lead. After 1978, they do not. So this gives an opportunity for the buyer to discover anything that they like about lead-based paint. And this is a responsibility of a real estate professional. They must provide this disclosure. Hey, for more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you want to schedule a one-on-one tutoring session with me to pass the state exam, whether it's agents or brokers, please go ahead and pick a time and date, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Until next time.